The intro title text to this movie is the sort of thing YouTubers do nowadays with their channel intros. I mean, I'm probably kind of guilty, but, yeah.
You want to race tonight?
Yeah, you know I could use the money.
You got 4 minutes, man.
All right, I'll be there.
Jesus Christ. That's Jason Bourne.
They show the whole side of his face in this first shot, and then for the rest of his intro montage, they act like it's some kind of big reveal that it's Brian in the skyline. Like, sure, we don't straight up see his face in clear lighting, but we do see it's him. An odd choice, the way they have this whole thing play out, but it's a badass intro. Which, just by the way, the Skyline, my all-time favorite Fast and Furious car. Again, a bit like Dom, Brian is making entrances we all wish we could make, but in the real world, it would just make us look like a dick. I mean, the Skyline kind of helps him out here, though. All that revving coming up the line. Probably used half a tank of fuel already. I mean, well, actually, was he in neutral the whole way there? Was the crowd just pushing him? How was he able to do all that revving? Also, more evidence to the fact that Brian is the new Dom, because the guy in second place ruined his car and legitimately almost had him.
Turn right here.
Brian just ran that stop sign for no reason. They're not even racing.
You might want to keep your eyes on the road, Playboy.
What, you think we're gonna crash?
I haven't decided yet.
Honestly, this is me and Heather when we're in the car together. And they're dead.